Here we got a microphone from Comica. This model is called CVMV30 Lite. It's a cardioid condenser light microphone. This microphone is compatible with cameras and smartphones. It has a low self-noise, and it is good against interferences. The microphone is super cardioid and it's absorbing shock excellently. On the side of the pack you can see the specifications. There is a unique serial number printed on each box. Let us get everything out of its box. The microphone comes already assembled. There are 3 papers coming with it. The first one is the warranty instruction card. Then there is a social media card with QR codes. And the third booklet is the instructions manual in English and Chinese. Let us have a look through all pages. And here is the Comica microphone. The cable is non-removable. On the back of the camera there is a switch for cameras and smartphones. This is a 3.5-inch audio plug like you know it from normal headphones. Here, you can mount and screw the microphone to a SLR camera. The microphone protector is really soft. You can remove the wind protector too. Here a closer look of the microphone, without the wind protector. This is how you can assemble the microphone to a SLR camera. Now let us do a quick audio check and compare an original Samsung Galaxy smartphone microphone with this external Comica microphone.
This is an audio test without an external microphone. And this is a test with the new Comica microphone attached to a smartphone. Can you hear the difference?
Thanks everyone for watching. Feel free to subscribe for daily new videos. Have a great day. Thanks guys.